Pterodactyl here, and welcome to another edition of Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities. And today's video is going to be an oddity more than a mystery. But today, it's more of a regular thing, but back in the day, it was an oddity. Wait till you see this.
Buried deep within corners of decaying mower shops, ancient relics lie. Peculiar artifacts left behind, baffling even today's most experienced repairman. What lies beneath the surface of dust and filth will leave you dumbfounded. Enigmatic, perplexing, and unusual items. Small engine pundit Pterodactyl takes you through Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities.
Well, here it is, grass rats. Check this thing out. It's brand new, and it's still in its original package. Am I building enough suspense for you? Are you getting excited? You want to see what it is? It's this. A kit that you would add to your lawnmower to fog insects, to kill them, to kill insects. Check this thing out. Well, I have a vintage correct lawnmower to use to put that fogger on, because this lawnmower had that cigar type muffkin on it. Now, this only took me about probably 5 minutes to install. Now, it comes with this tube. And of course, I wanted to use the whole length of the tube because, again, this muffkin's going to get hot and that heat's going to transfer to this tube. And I'm sure at some point it would probably melt this hose. I don't know if it's going to transfer that far. But that's the full length of the tube they came in the kit. And they tell you not to mount the tank up here, but that was the only place I could mount the tank. I didn't want to mount it to the side, so I mounted it up there. And we don't have any insecticide to put in there, but we got something that's safer we're going to put in there. And I'll let you know about that in a minute. But let's read through the instructions for a second, because there's some interesting information in there. So they got these 9 steps in here, safety precautions. And of course, we're just going to start with number 2. Do not use indoors. Duh! Do not inhale fog. Oh, yeah, because it'll probably kill you. Always keep the fogger away from flammable materials. So that stuff was highly flammable, I guess. Do not smoke while filling an operating unit. Okay, well, that was back in the 80s. Everybody was smoking like chimneys. Do not operate fogger in area where people, pets, or livestock are present. Oh, well, okay. So this stuff is highly toxic. Do not fog near uncovered foodstuffs, cooking and eating utensils, or open fires. Contamination, fire, and or explosion may occur. So yeah, you're not going to be fogging while you're having a picnic or a barbecue. Duh. But of course, you got to tell people all this stuff because they will do that. Always follow insecticide label instructions and precautions. Do not fog with grass catcher in place. Allow fog to blow freely from the muffkin. Do not allow mower to stand in one place with fogger operating. Damage to grass and other vegetation may occur. So obviously, this insecticide stuff, they got you pouring in that stuff, is highly toxic. Never leave running mower unattended, because you know somebody's going to go like, I'm just going to start that thing up and push it out in the middle of the lawn and just let it fog. I think it's fogging me already. Just reading this thing, I'm getting fumes from it. If engine should quit while fogging, immediately close tank valve to prevent damage to engine. So obviously this stuff is going to ruin your lawnmower. Do not store insecticide within tank for more than 2 weeks, damage to the tank may occur. So this stuff is going to eat away the plastic tank. Nice to know. And this place is still in business, this Burgess. Do not fog near outdoor carpeting. They don't want that stuff getting in the carpet because it's going to kill you. This sounds real safe. $29.99 to kill yourself. So I just thought we would just read through that. All right. So obviously, the fogging starts when the liquid hits the hot muffin, and then the hot muffin is going to blow the fog out of that deadly insecticide that they got you doing it. So not only does it kill flies and insects and mosquitoes and spiders and all kind of bugs, it'll kill your pets and your livestock and you. So hey, for $29.99, what a deal. So what we're going to use is some fog fluid for like a fog machine to be safer, other than the carbon monoxide coming out of the muffin. We're going to mix it with this fog juice. This is non-toxic and water-based. So it's not going to kill me, and it's not going to kill any mosquitoes or livestock or anything else. All right? So let's pour some of this in there. And as Elkin says, fire it up, fire it up, fire it up, and fog, fog, fog. Shut up, Elkins! That's what we're going to do. Okay, so how this thing works is you start the lawnmower, you let it get hot, so the muffin gets hot. Then you open this valve to let the toxic juice to flow through the hose. And then once it hits that hot muffin, it starts the fogging. And you better be downwind from it if you wanted to stay alive. So we're going to fire it up, let it get hot, and then I'm going to open the valve. Gotta get hot. All right, here it comes. As soon as I shut it off, see, it's flowing. Oh, it's fogging now. So it works with our fog juice. It's spilling out. Let me start it again. you have it, grass rats. Highly toxic and dangerous fogging machine hooked to your lawnmower. I wonder how many millions of people this thing has killed over the years. You're going to kill me right now. No, I'm joking. Oh, no. So, yeah, it kind of worked with our fogging stuff on there. As you can tell, it was puking out of the muffkin. Not a very smart idea. A lot of instructions and stuff. I wonder how many lawsuits were brought against them, but they're still in business today. So what does that tell you? Good thing they got rid of this. this crazy idea. Here, let's hook some highly toxic chemicals to a muffkin on a lawnmower, so that way they can cut their grass and kill bugs at the same time, and then in 10 or 15 years they'll be dead too. That's a great idea. Let's kill our customers slowly. So, for Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities, I'm John Walsh. I mean, Pterodactyl. And buy some Omega XL.
Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities.